G'day, welcome to this video of Tim Borg show. Another thing I bought off the internet, we're going to do an unboxing of this, I don't know, what do you call it, a multimedia speaker, a Bluetooth speaker. It says SingE ZQS4239, and it's got these cool looking speaker drivers. And when I got this for like $29, really cheap on eBay. It's cheaper than those other speakers, like Chinese speakers I bought. The bookshelf ones were like $193. This one was at $29, and it says it's got two 4-inch drivers. It's 2x8 watts. It says here the real power. It didn't say that on the website. It was saying like 2,000 watts, and I was like, yeah, sure. Bullshit. I didn't believe it. It says the signal and noise is 50 dB, which sounds pretty bad. Frequency response is 45 to 18 hertz to kilohertz. The battery capacity is 1800 milliamp hours, I meant to say. Voltage 5 volts, runs off USB. It's 1.7 kilos. I can't read the rest of that. Has a remote control and a wired microphone. So, and then this is how it's shipped to me. And I actually got it ages ago, but I hadn't opened it yet. So I've just been saving it to film an unboxing. Alright, so I've got no idea if this even works. I hope it does. So it would suck if I have to find it, complain about it, and I waited weeks to open it. Alright, why did it take so long? Alright, so that's the box. You can see the condition of the box. The stuff's just falling out. This is the strap. The RTFM actually. Yeah, it's one page. Remote with a thing you pull out to activate it. USB cable, USB-C. How good is that? $30 or a Bluetooth USB-C powered speaker. It's hard to get. A cheapo microphone with this old plug. Obviously nowhere near as good as the other one I bought. But this is pretty good value, I must admit. And I just thought I should give some Chinese speakers a try. So I bought this at the same time I was buying the other one, and I was going crazy. I was thinking, why do you need to buy two Chinese speakers at the same time? It's a lot of money to waste. Alright, here we go. That looks pretty cool. I haven't even turned it on yet. Alright. Whoops. There we go. It was a noise, wasn't it? At the top here, you can see you've got a USB-C in, another USB-A plug. It's auxiliary, it's a large microphone, and it's a TF card. I only had a TF card with some music. Those speakers, I mean, they look pretty good. They are bigger and more beefy looking than the other $93 thing that I bought, which didn't have much bass. So I'm hoping this will have more bass. But, I mean, maybe the magnets are a lot smaller considering how cheap it is. I've had things like this that were up to, you know, over $170 even. And I just thought, well, it's clearly not worth paying a lot of money for a Chinese thing. You don't know if it's actually good or not. Yep. And either way, the power of this. I guess I should just go plug it into my computer. Or another phone. My tablet. And just pause. Alright, I just went to get this phone, my old phone. And I got it connected. Coffee screen still bright.
chasing melodies deep in the night. Tap the keys, tweak the sound, building something from the ground. Now we're stacked like dominoes fall, making magic from nothing else. See the fine, oh, polished and clean, but they don't see the hours. Countless hours is the price I pay for every second that you're here today. From the first bar to the final frame, it's a marathon. I'm playing the game. They say just click a button, let it do its thing, but AI's just a tool that can make it sing.
Where's the volume? Oh, it's this top one.
You can rush the magic, you can fake the way.
Oh, I just turned it up. Full blast. But I haven't turned the phone up.
Cut the clips, line them up in the track, drag and drop, never looking back. Fades and wipes, color grading the scene. Pixel by pixel, I'm building the dream. Read the bar crawling, watching it load. Another hour gone down a different road. Then I hit upload. Wait for the green while the world keeps rolling. Unclock and spin, but I don't stop. Layer by layer, I'm coming to the top. It ain't a shortcut, it's running time. Every second spent, every single line. Countless hours, that's the price I pay for every second that you're here today. From the first spark to the final frame, it's a marathon, I'm playing the game. So just click a button, let it do its thing. But age is the tool that can make it sing. Yeah, it takes countless hours every single day. You can rush the magic, you can fake the way. You can rush the magic, you can fake the way. You can rush the magic, you can fake the way. There's no shortcut I've ever found to bypass the work and skip to the sound. One day has a pencil, but I hold the pen. Every single choice, I make it again. So don't tell me it's fast, don't tell me it's free. This is my craft, this is my reality. Yeah, I'm the hands on the wheel. I'm the one making it real. Countless hours, that's the price I pay for every second that you're here today. From the first bar to the final frame, it's a marathon, I'm playing the game. So just click a button, let it do its thing. But age is the tool that can make it sing. Yeah, it takes countless hours every single day. You can rush the magic, you can fake the way. Countless hours. Countless hours. From the first note to the last.
Yeah, it's probably too loud. It's hurting me, to be honest. It was so loud.
It's a tool in the machine, but the heart's in the work, if you know what I mean. Countless hours. Yeah, it takes time. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. If I do say so myself, I'll turn that down. Yeah, that's one of my AI music songs, Countless Hours, latest tune I just released.
Midnight coffee, screen still bright.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm happy with this purchase. So apparently it also supports, like you can have stereo with Bluetooth or something. Like some new feature, I don't know. There's no button on the top of that. I think it supports that. Or is there M? Is M for mode? Line. Okay, it's stuck on that one.
Countless hours, that's the price I pay.
I like the RGB effects.
Every second that you're here today. From the first spark to the final frame, it's a marathon, I'm playing the game. They say just click a button, let it do its thing. But AI's just a tool, it can't make it.
It'd be cool if I got two of them.
Countless hours every single day.
I don't think you can connect them together with the cable. I think it only
Put the
does it
clips,
with
line them up
Bluetooth.
in the track. Drag and drop, never
Makes the
looking
quality
back.
lower, you know?
Phase and wipes, color grading the scene. Pixel by pixel, I'm building the dream. Yeah, and the bar crawling, watching it load. Another hour going down a different road. Then I hit up low, wait for the green while the world keeps scrolling. Unseen, clock can spin, but I don't stop. Layer by layer, I'm climbing to the top. It ain't a shortcut, it's sweat and time. Every second spent, every single line. Countless hours, that's the price I pay for every second that you're here today. From the first spark to the final frame, it's a marathon, I'm playing the game. They say just click a button, let it do its thing. But AI's just a tool, it can't make it sing. Yeah, it takes countless hours every single day. You can't run magic, you can't fake the way. There's no shortcut I've ever found to bypass the work and skip to the sound. AI's a pencil, but I hold a pen. Every single choice I make it again. So don't tell me it's fast. Don't and let it do its thing. But AI is just a tool, it can't make it sing. Yeah, it takes countless hours every single day. You can't rush the magic, you can fake the way. Countless hours, countless hours, countless hours. From the first note to the last, every second's built to last. AI's just a tool in the machine, but the heart's in the work, if you know what I mean. Countless hours.
Yeah, that's very too loud. Sorry about that. I was just trying to see if you could see the speakers. You can't really. Anyway, that's probably enough of that. It's pretty cool. Oh, I should test out the karaoke feature since it's got it. Hello. Hello. Oh my god. There we go. Testing countless hours, yeah. Testing 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, it has echo. Echo. What should I do to test this? I don't know. How loud does it go? Oh shit. That's too loud. And I'm just next to it like that. You know what I'm saying? Hello. This is a loudspeaker. Indeed. It's pretty cheap if you want to project your voice to somebody. And I was thinking that you could use this in your EV to save electricity so you can get for like a longer range, right? If you use any kind of Bluetooth speakers. In fact, I was thinking of using some Sony's, to be honest. But if I run that on its own little battery bank, then it's not running off the car, so it doesn't reduce the EV range. Ta-da! Here's an extra kilowatt for you on your long journey road trip if you just use some third-party speakers that sound better. Yeah, anyway, so I think I stopped that. What I did want to show you was that I've also got, like, back over there, some Sony Bluetooth speakers, and I love them, but I've had them for like 6 years or something, and they still work perfectly fine. They're not blown up, those ones. Or I've got a little pair that are even older. They did blow up, but that's because they were too small and I always had them on full blast. But these ones I don't need to have on full blast. I just stopped using them for now because I was getting complaints from my housemate, like I was saying in the previous video about the other speakers I bought. So, but yeah, look, the bass on that and sound quality is clearly better. And if you can afford to buy a Sony, then buy a Sony. But if you can't afford to waste hundreds of dollars, because they cost like, the one as big as that or this, you know what I'm saying? Like you're going to spend like $500, depending on what country you live in, what model you buy and things like that. So, you know, these Chinese speakers, they're not bad for the price as long as you don't pay too much, which means I can only recommend them if you buy the cheaper models. The ones that cost over $100, don't waste your time. You know, that's what I reckon. Anyway, it's good if something's cheap because it doesn't matter then if you lose it at the beach. Who cares? It's only $29. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I would give this product for my review a 9 out of 10. Rubber stamps, warp cores or something like that. Probably should say warp cores or unimatrix, uniplexes. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about now. Oops, I shouldn't have swore. I know I better edit that out. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe for more. Live long and prosper. And yeah, let me know what else you think about this. Please check out the rest of my content. All right, then. See you later. Goodbye. Hooroo.